Well, hey there. Tamara with Business Boldly. I help business owners create automations to save them time and stress. Today, we're focusing on ManyChat, on how to export a ManyChat flow to another ManyChat user. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen with you guys, show you what I'm doing. So I've created a ManyChat flow that we're going to go ahead and export out to somebody else. So this is the flow, just so you guys see it. I just went ahead and I created, 1, 2, 3, simple little introduction to the page. I'm going to wait a day and then I'm going to send them a message, right? So we go to our flows, and then I'm going to go to the 3 dots right here and hit share this flow. Now it's really important that you have this box right here, allow viewers to clone this flow checked, or they won't get the option to save this to their own flow. So you're going to go ahead and copy to clipboard. And then we're going to go and open a new tab and paste that right up in there. And it's going to open up our flow right here. And then save to ManyChat. So your client is going to see this page with the flow and the option to save it to their own ManyChat. We're going to save to ManyChat, and it's going to give them the option of which of their pages they would like to save it to, if they have multiples or if they only have one. I'm going to go ahead and hit save flow, and it's going to save the flow to their ManyChat, where they can then go in and open it up and customize it for their business as opposed to your business. This particular one we're not going to edit. It's a test page that I went ahead and made for myself, so we're not going to worry about it. But at this point in time is where they would edit it. Now, if we go into flows, anytime they import a flow or save a flow from someone else, it's going to show up right up here in imported from whoever sent it to them. It's going to show up right in there. So pretty simple, pretty easy, not a whole lot of hassle to it. I hope that you enjoyed my easy tutorial. That's our end for the day. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, or you can book your own call to set up your own marketing automation flow.